Hello guys, good morning all over the world, local and international, good morning. Ayan, dito ako ulit sa Casa Peregrine sa may San Mateo, Rizal. Second time around na namin tong napuntahan. Pangatlong destination namin tong tourist spot sa isang araw. So ayan, pagod na, pero masaya pa rin, gawa ng ang ganda pa rin ng mga views na aming napupuntahan, nakaka-relax. At overlooking din siya guys, dun banda sa may harapan, maganda din ang mga tanawin. Yun nga lang, hapon na kami dumating at hindi na amin naabutan yung falls. Gawa ng pangatlong destination na namin tong napuntahan, kaya pagod na din sa biyahe. So, enjoy pa rin ang araw namin ng aming galaan. Ayan. Mapahanga ka na lang sa gumagawa ng tourist spot dito sa Casa Peregrine. Gawa ng yung mga kahoy, ginawa nila ng pahingahan. At kumbaga, parang tree house na din. Pwede ka rin dyan magpahinga. Pwede rin diyan kayo kumain. Ayan, o diba, ang ganda ng mindset ng pagkagawa nila, at pinalakihan pa nila, at may swimming pool din sa baba. And then may spider web pa silang ginagawa sa ibaba din, at hindi pa natatapos. Lagi nilang pinapaganda ang Casa Peregrine. So kaka-enjoy naman, at daming tao na din na dumadayo dito banda sa San Mateo, Rizal.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami at nakalabas na din ng Casa Peregrine. Maganda naman siya guys, may swimming pool, may restaurant din siya, and then pwede ka ring mag-request ng mga song, gawa ng may mga singer band din sila dito, and yan, may mga accessories din silang mga binta dyan sa labasan. Affordable naman yung entrance, like 50 peso, ayan. So, makaka-enjoy, kagawa nga lang hapon na kami dumating. So, ang dami na ding mga tao, kaya hindi kami nagtagal dito guys. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless!